We've got a lot of work going on under this space of connected worker. One of them is asset information management, which is really about getting information out to everyone in the field about the assets that we have. Other work is around, we call it SWIFT. It's basically an e-permitting tool. And it allows you to go from paper permits to permitting on tablets and smartphones. So we've got about 80% of the devices we've got delivered out there are smartphones and about 20% tablets. It's set up so that it syncs automatically with the system, so they're going through making the permits, and it saves them time. So the idea is you're going out into the field, you're permitting a job in the field, so you're recognizing the hazards in the field, you're talking about it as a team. You can put all the information in there as you're going along, and it triggers other permits. You don't have to go back to the control room, do a separate system to put that information in. Also, it's auditable, right? So you can go back and look at it and say, did we do a really good job permitting these times? Or if something were to happen, because sometimes things do happen, you can go back, okay, was there a hazard we missed? Is there a way that we can change in the future to make sure that we don't miss these hazards? So it's a way for us to look at it and say, how can we get better every day? The electronic permitting gives consistency across the organization. So we take the best practices from all of our plants, put it together in one common set of standards, and make sure that's delivered to all of our plants. And so it just makes everyone safer. But you always have the information at your fingertips.